Today, we will learn the word ankle, an important part of our body. It helps us walk, run, and balance. Ankle is the joint that connects your foot to your leg. It allows your foot to move up and down. A common mistake is confusing the ankle with the wrist or knee. Remember, ankle is only in your leg, near the foot. Common phrases include twist your ankle injury, and wear ankle boots. We also say sprained ankle to describe injuries. I hurt my ankle while playing soccer. She wore ankle socks with her shoes. The doctor checked his ankle after the fall. He needs to rest his ankle for a week. Once, a boy twisted his ankle during a basketball game. He was sad but rested well. Soon, he was back playing stronger than before. Think of the word ankle like a handle for your foot to move. An ankle sounds like a small angle between your foot and leg. Remember, an ankle connects your foot to your leg. Try saying ankle a few times now.